Hello, class. Here we are again. I hope that you are okay at home, as always. In the previous video, we started with the unit number 1, and today we will continue developing this topic. So again, I'm going to ask you for your copybook and a pencil because there are going to be some activities for you to develop. Remember that the name of the unit is Technology for Different Purposes, and we are going to recall some important points reviewed in the previous video in relation to what is technology. Well, technology is all around us. Technology has a significant impact in how we live, work, and play. Technology is a system of practical knowledge and problem solving to create tools. Technology is not just reflected in things or hardware. Technology includes things like human language and efficiency. Technology are the ideas or concepts behind the tools we often associate with technology. Technology are the ideas or concepts behind the tools we often associate with technology. Applied technology are the tools or gadgets created by technology. Do you remember that we made a difference between technology and applied technology? Well, technology are the ideas, the previous thought before the creation of an object, a technological object. And applied technology are the tools, the technological objects created after these ideas. So now the focus of today is to make a difference between technology then and now. That means, how was technology in the past? How were the first technological tools presented in human life? And how have they developed throughout history? So I have some questions for you. Would you imagine a world without the internet? Because when you were born, internet was already here, but when I was born, internet was not here. Can you imagine yourself using a portable telephone of about 1.5 kilograms of weight? Do you think of a car that reaches 20 kilometers per hour as its maximum speed? Nowadays we have cars that reaches 200 kilometers or more, but 20 kilometers? Everything you know now was not here since always and not in the same way. And we are going to notice that in a video we are going to watch right now.
Past and present. Technology then and now. Devices and gadgets that we use today were radically different back when they were first invented, introduced or popularized years or decades ago. In this look at technological transformations, we see what old-school designs have become. Floppy disk. You'd need 213,000 individual 5¼ inch floppy disks, each with a capacity of 1.2 megabytes to hold 256 gigabytes of data. Thumb drive. Now all you need is this 2-inch long thumb drive that easily stores the same amount of data. Books. 1,400 physical books would weigh about £1 each. That's about as much as half of a car. Kindle. The cheapest version of this electronic reader can hold that many books in digital form. Ford Model T. The first consumer automobile, introduced in 1908, produced 20 horsepower and had a top speed of 45 miles per hour. Ford GT. The 2017 Descendant has evolved into a supercar with 600 horsepower and speeds in excess of 200 miles per hour. Television. The 1948 Admiral Model 19A12 TV set had a 7-inch black and white screen with a resolution of 653 by 499 pixels. UHD TV. Today's 4K ultra-high-def TVs have minimum resolutions of 3840 by 2160 pixels. Videocam. The Super 8mm film cameras produced by Kodak in 1965 had film cartridges that recorded up to 2.5 minutes at 24 frames per second. High-def video recorder. Can record 1080p video for up to 4 hours and 21 minutes at 30 frames per second. Laptop. The first true portable computer was called Osborne 1, built by Adam Osborne in 1981. It weighed 24 pounds, had a 5-inch screen, and cost $1,795. Compact ultra-portables. Laptops circa 2016 are sleek, lightweight, have 13 to 15-inch touchscreens, blazingly fast processors, and cost $1,000 or less. Mobile phone. In April 1973, Motorola researcher Martin Cooper made the first mobile telephone call using a device that weighed 1.1 kilos and measured 23 centimeters long. It had a talk time of 30 minutes and took 10 hours to recharge. Smartphone. There are nearly 150 mobile phone manufacturers in the world today who produce the latest iteration of this device, which is small, light, thin, and is virtually a carry-anywhere computer. ENIAC. Built in 1946 by Pennsylvania University scientists, the Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer, ENIAC, was a 30-ton behemoth with over 17,000 vacuum tubes, 70,000 resistors, and 10,000 capacitors, filling up a 30 by 50-foot room. Portable calculator. Modern-day electronic pocket calculators became available in the 1970s, after the first microprocessor was developed by Intel for Japanese calculator company Bizicom. Now, pocket calculators by Texas Instruments put enormous computing power in a smartphone-sized package.
Well, things haven't been the same since always. They were different then, and they are different now. Have you ever heard about floppy disks? Well, now is your turn, your personal work. You are going to think about your favorite technological device, your favorite technological tool, your favorite applied technology. And you are going to do a brief research about its origins. You can make a timeline with the most important facts you find. Approximately 5 to 8 important facts. In relation to this timeline, you can do it in your copybook or in a piece of cardboard, as you wish, as it's simpler for you. The idea is that you can mention between 5 to 8 important facts in the history of this technological device that you have chosen. The year and the fact in a timeline. That's it, no more than that. If you have questions in relation to what we have seen or the task, please write to my email address. Remember that any activity that you perform at home is going to be reviewed after at school when we meet again in the future. And that's it for today. See you in the next opportunity. I send you a warm hug. Stay at home. Take care of yourself. Bye.